friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a all new 2021 Yamaha FZS FI V3 Vintage Edition. So there are a lot of changes between 2020 and 2021. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBeast channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So friends, here you can see the all new Yamaha FZ FI V3 Vintage Edition. Firstly, coming to the front part, here you can see all the LED treatments has been given to the headlights position, and headlights position also very nice on offer. Coming to the front suspension, comes with the telescopic shock absorbers at the front fork, and coming to the tire profile, at the front tire comes with the 180/17 inches at the front tire. Tubeless tires has been provided on this vehicle with alloy wheels on offer. Disc size comes with a 282 mm of disc size on this size of the wheel. So overall, the massive enough of disc size on this edition of the special edition in the 2021. Yamaha badge has been given on the suspension of the front, and ABS has been provided on the single channel ABS on this 2021 generation. So Yamaha FZS special edition Vintage Edition has been written on the petrol tank. The design at the front look is very nice on offer. So here you can see on the petrol tank, the graphics and the stickering of the FZS version 3.0 has been written with the graphics. And here you can see the detail of the petrol tank design is very nice. The cross cuttings on offer at this price segment is very nice. Coming to the engine placements, the engine comes with a air cooled engine 4-stroke SOHC 2 valves per each cylinder has been provided with a displacement of 149cc engine. The 12.4 PS of power at 7250 rpm and 13.3 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm. Single cylinder air cooled engine, 2 valves per each cylinder. So overall, this is the engine placements at this price segment of 150cc engine of all new Yamaha FZS. And here you can see the space between the seat height and the tire profile is called a saddle height. The changes between all the three changes has been done to the 2021 to 2021. I will say the end of the video. Coming to the rear tire profile, comes with a 140/60/17 inches at the rear tire, and disc size comes with a rear disc 220 mm of rear disc with a tubeless and alloy wheels are provided. The tire profile has been same as 431.8 mm as regular. Coming to the rear profile, here you can see the halogens as provided at the tail lights. No LEDs on offer at this price segment, and indicators also halogens on offer. Coming to the suspension and also with the dimensions of the vehicle, the dimensions comes with a length of 1990 mm of length and breadth of 780 mm of breadth. The height of the vehicle comes with a 1080 mm of height. And coming to the fuel tank capacity is 13 liters of massive enough. The saddle height comes with a 790 mm of saddle height. The ground clearance of the vehicle is 165 mm of ground clearance, massive enough for the city rides, also with the metropolitan cities. And wheelbase of the comes with a 1330 mm of wheelbase. The weight of the vehicle comes with a 135 kgs, and rear suspension comes with a monopoly suspension, and 7-way adjustable monocross suspensions has been given on this rear suspension, and the build quality is very nice on offer. So coming to here, you can see the cross cuttings of the pillion holders, and pillion seat is very nice, and detail here you can see the side profile of the rear tail light. The design is very nice and sporty feeling of the rear. And coming to the other side, here you can see the open chain drive has been given. This is chain drive position. And coming to the self start only, no kickstart on this generation of BS6 vehicle. Fuel injection supply has been provided with a wet multi-disc clutch has been given with a manual transmission gearbox of 5-speed manual transmission. Bore comes with a 57.3 mm of bore and 57.9 mm of stroke. The comparison ratio of the bike comes with a 9:6:1 BS6 vehicle. Blue Core technology has been used on this FZS on this 2021 generation also. And fuel tank capacity, I have said already, 13.7 liters of fuel tank capacity has been given. The mileage is not expected on this vehicle and not provided by Yamaha on this generation. Coming to the handlebars, left side handlebars comes with the horn, indicators, high beam, low beam, and passless switch has been given in the single switch, and handlebars are wide enough. One of my favorite handlebars is this FZ Yamaha. And right side handlebars comes with the engine kill switch and self start button has been provided on this generation, same as old. Coming to side view mirrors, side view mirrors also same as, no change design of older generation. And coming to the instrument cluster, Yamaha badge has been given on the instrument cluster with a full SPIPE on offer. High body has been provided at the starting, and full SPIPE on offer with a gear indication with the top speed of gear has been provided. And coming to the odometer, trip meters, and digital console, and also with a gear indications has been provided with fuel gauge. Lot of indications are provided on this instrument cluster. And FZ version with 3.0 has batching on the petrol tank, is very nice. And coming to the engine displacement, comes with a 150cc engine. There are a lot of comparisons in the market. A Pulsar NS 200 on this engine, and also with the Pulsar 220F, and also with the NS 160, and also with the Gixxer SF, and also with the Gixxer, and also with the FZF V3. So there are total 4 to 5 bikes on comparison on this price segment. The one of the coolest trick on this 2021 generation is this is a trick that to start the engine, so that pushing towards left side of these indicators and right side once is, then only the engine will be start. This is one of the best feature that the thief alarm is better on this generation of this FZ 2021, and then only the self start and engine kill switch and self start will be work. So there will be total three tricks on this generation. One is the party trick of alert alarm on this thief alarm. And coming to exhaust node has been changed on from 2020 to 2021. And one of the another coolest feature is 2 kgs has been reduced on this 2021 generation. So overall this is a bike. And coming to the colors, there are total 5 colors on offer. Coming to the price segment, the price segment on road Hyderabad comes with a 1,25,000 on road Hyderabad Yamaha FZS. So overall this is a walk around video of FZS. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to MotoB channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.